In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a landing page on Kajabi platform. So watch this video till the end. Before starting this video, I wanna share two good news with you. If you want extended 30-day free trial of Kajabi platform, then you can get extended Kajabi 30-day free trial using the special affiliate link given in the video description. And the second good news is that you can claim 3 months of Kajabi subscription for just $99 by visiting this special landing page. This special landing page link is in the video description. This deal is going to expire very soon, so if you are interested in Kajabi platform, then claim it as soon as possible. And there is one more good news for you. If you will use the link given in the video description to either activate 30-day free trial of Kajabi platform or buying 3 months of $99 plan of Kajabi platform, then I will give you 4 additional bonuses which are listed in the screen right now. So this is my way of saying thank you for using Kajabi using my affiliate link. So creating a landing page in Kajabi platform is very straightforward. All you need to do is just log into your Kajabi account, and from the left sidebar, go to website and click on this landing pages option. When you will click on it, then you will see a dashboard like this. From here, as you can see, there are 3 different options in front of us to create landing page. First one is start from scratch. So if you don't want to use any Kajabi template and if you want to design your landing page from scratch, then you can use start from scratch option. The second one is browse template. So if you want to use Kajabi landing page templates to design your landing page, so if you don't want to start from scratch and if you want to use a pre-designed template and if you want to customize it according to your requirement, then you can select browse template option. And third one is upload template. So suppose if anyone has provided you the landing page template that you want to use, then you can upload that template by clicking on this upload template button. Okay, but for now I'm gonna click on this browse template option because I want to use a template to design my landing page. And as you can see, there are lots of templates available. There are sales related template. As you can see, there are 11 sales related template. As you can see, there are lots of templates. Similarly, for podcast, there are lots of template. There are templates for link in bio, type of landing page. You can check all by clicking on view all option. And next is there are some thank you page template. As you can see, there are 9 template for thank you pages. As you can see, if you want to check all the templates, then you can pause this video and you can check it. And also there are some opt-in page templates. As you can see, these templates are looking very good in my opinion. You can use any template according to your requirement. And also there are some coming soon page template as well, and there are also some legacy template available. So if you want to use any template and if you want to check the live preview, then all you need to do is just click on the template you want to use and it will show you the preview of the entire template. So if you want to use this template, then you can click on this get started button to use this particular template. Okay, I hope you understood. But in today's video, I'm gonna use Kajabi legacy page template because I wanna use simple templates because simple templates convert better. Okay, so I wanna use some template where there is a video type of sections available and there is heading. So yeah, this is the template. There is a simple heading, a little bit of description, and there is a video section, and after that there is a call to action section. So I wanna use this particular template. It is literally very simple but high converting in my opinion. So I'm gonna click on this and I will click on get started button. Let me give it a name. Let's say demo landing page template. Okay, and let's click on create option. And as you can see, Kajabi is installing this theme in my account. So in this way, it is very easy to use any template in Kajabi. So as you can see, there is a header, there is a title, little bit of description, there is a video section and call to action button and some additional details, and there is the footer section. So personally, I wanna remove this menu section from here because if I will keep this, then whenever anyone will visit this landing page, then they will see lots of links here like store link, my library link, and all these things, and they will click on this and they may go anywhere else. But if you are creating a landing page, then landing page should have a clear goal, that is convert your audience into customer or anything. Okay, so my goal in this particular landing page is I want that to click on this particular button. So that's why I want to remove this menu section. So to remove a section from landing page is very easy. Just click on this menu section, and in the left side, as you can see, it is showing show header option. Let me uncheck it, and as you can see, header section has removed successfully. So let me write my title here. So I'm gonna give you a title formula that has the highest conversion rate, and the title formula is how to get result without pain. Okay, so here are some example for this particular title, like how to create a mobile app without coding, how to get more leads without running paid ads, and there are lots of examples. So in this particular landing page, I wanna promote a tool which is Submagic AI. Submagic AI help you to add captions with the help of AI. It will automatically add captions, beautiful looking captions in your short videos without you doing anything. So my title will be something like how to add captions to shorts without spending hours editing. So as you can see, this title is looking super attractive, and it will definitely encourage my viewers to watch this particular video and click on this particular button. Okay, so let me write a little bit of description here so that they can watch this particular video. Watch this video to see a live demo. Okay, and next thing is we want to add a video here. So for this, we will click on this edit button, and it will show the setting of this video element in the left side, as you can see. So to upload a video, to upload a video, all you need to do is just click on video action from here and click on upload new file button. You can select the file from your device. Okay, so for demo purpose, I have added a random video here, and if you want to add a thumbnail here, then all you need to do is just click on this select image option and click on upload new file and click on from my device option. So as you can see, this is the thumbnail which I wanna upload. Let me click on save and let me click on upload file. So as you can see, I have added thumbnail for this particular video successfully, and now there is a last thing remaining, which is call to action. So just click on this button and you can write whatever you want, or you can simply change the text from left side. So let me write something like try Submagic AI for free. Okay, and next is button action. So button actions means if anyone will click on this particular button, then what will happen? Okay, so we want that whenever anyone will click on this particular button, then it should open some magic website. So for this, we will select go to URL option, and here I have pasted some magic website URL, and definitely I want to open it a new window, and here are some other options. So if you want to change the button style to like this, then you can change it from here. I want solid one, and also you can change the button size if you want, but large size is looking very good. And also there is button width, which is auto and full width. So I personally like full width button, so I'm gonna select this particular option from here. And also you can change the button color, text color, and everything, and you can customize everything according to your requirement. Okay, and after this particular section, I don't want anything, because if there will be too many things in the landing page, then it will confuse my audience and they will not take any action. So that's why I want to remove these particular sections which are available here. So to delete any section, it is very easy. Just select the section you want to delete, and after that you will get setting of that section in the left side. Just scroll this page, and after that you will get delete this section option, and in this way you can delete the section you want to delete. Okay, and I want footer in my landing page, so I'm gonna keep this particular one. So there is a title, a little bit of description, a video, and there is a call to action button. So this is a very simple landing page. It's like how to add captions to shorts without spending hours editing. There is a small call to action so that my audience can watch this particular video, like watch this video to see a live demo. They will watch this video, and after watching this video, if they will be interested in Submagic tools, then they will definitely click on try Submagic AI for free button to get access to this tool for free. Okay, so after doing all these changes, just click on save button. And you know what is the best thing? This landing page is fully responsive to all devices like tab, mobile devices, and all these things. As you can see, this landing page is looking very good in all devices. Okay, so after doing all the changes, let's go back. So as you can see, demo landing page has created successfully. It is in draft mode. If you want to publish it, then you can publish it, and after that you can share this particular URL with your audience so that they can visit your landing page. So this is your landing page URL, and suppose if you want to do SEO for your landing page, then all you need to do is just click on this three dot from here and click on this edit detail option. From here you can change the title of your landing page, URL of your landing page, and also you can make it draft or publish. It is totally up to you. And also there are some SEO and social sharing settings settings here, like you can write your SEO title, SEO description, and featured image here so that it can be appear in search engine like Google, Bing, and all other search engines. Okay, and after doing all these things, just click on save button. And suppose if you have designed this particular landing page for your client, and if you want to give it after designing, then after designing, all you need to do is just click on this three dot, click on export button to export it in your computer, and after that you can send it to your client and they can install it in their Kajabi account by going to website and clicking on landing page, and they can then click on this three dot to upload the template that you have provided. Okay, so in this way you can import and export template in Kajabi account. And suppose if you have designed this landing page for your one product and you want to design the exact same landing page for your other product, then you don't need to design it from scratch. You can simply click on this three dot and you can duplicate this particular template in your account and you can easily customize it according to your requirement. I wanna remind you once again that if you want extended Kajabi 30-day free trial, then you can click on the special affiliate link given in the video description. And also if you want Kajabi 3 months of subscription for just $99, then you can visit this special landing page. This special landing page link is in the video description. This deal is going to expire very soon, so if you are interested in Kajabi and if you want to save a lot of money, then you can claim this particular offer. This offer link is also in the video description. And I wanna remind you once again that if you either activate 30-day free trial or purchase Kajabi 3 month for $99 plan using the link given in the video description, then I will give you 4 additional bonuses which are listed in the screen right now. This is my way of saying thank you for using my affiliate link. All the details for claiming these bonuses are in the video description. Just go and check it out. So I hope after watching this Kajabi tutorial 2026 you understood how to create a landing page on Kajabi platform. If you still have any confusion regarding creating landing page in Kajabi platform, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this how to create a landing page on Kajabi platform video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos like this.